Welcome to the wonderful world of Google Sketchup Symmetry. If you will go and click on Google Sketchup 7 twice, when you see the window, choose the template, plain view, start using SketchUp. We're going to begin exactly like we did before, where make sure you save. Then you're on your pencil tool. You're going to start at the origin, make about a 12-inch line, and then you're going to go to your rotate tool, click on the origin one time, go down to the endpoint, click. Then you're going to take your hand off the mouse, press Control, and we're going to just make it 30 degrees for a change of pace, so 30, and enter. Now you go back to your pencil tool, click on the endpoint. Oh no, I don't want pencil tool, I lied. I'm going to take that away. I want the arc tool because I want to change a pace there too. So I'm going to click and I'm going to just move my arc point one time to about there, click, and then when I have the arc that I want, I click again. So an arc is a 3-clicker. Then I'm going to click right here on this endpoint, click over here, and then make my arc whatever way I want it, and I want it just like that. So now I have my closed figure. Now I'm going to use my straight line tool, and I'm going to start right here and go to there, and then I'm going to start right here and go to there. So I only made 2 lines this time. You can make as many as you deem appropriate. Go to Window and Materials, and I'm going to use metal this time. You can use anything you want. And I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to use the metal rusted. Now exit out of your materials, and at this point in our last one we would select it, and we're going to do that again with our select tool. But this is going to be different. Normally we would have rotated this group, but instead we're going to make it into a component. Edit, Component, Make Component. Now you can name your component, but I'm not going to, and then you just click on Create. Now a component is simply a group that is all together. I cannot move this one by each little section. I can only move it together. If I change something, anything that has been copied will change with that. So I will show you how to do that. We're going to rotate it and copy it until it's a circle like the first one. Use your rotate tool. Click one time on the origin. Go down here and click at the end point. Take your hand off the mouse. Press the Control key. Now this is 30 degrees. We want to rotate it. So 30, enter. Now how many 30s are there in 360 degrees? I believe the answer is 12. I hope I'm right. Is that right? I think so. And so we want to do it 11 more times because we just did it one time here. So I'm going to type the number 11, X, enter. Ta-da! Click on this one here, the origin, zoom extends, And now the advantage of having the component, because if I double click on one of them, that puts me into a sort of an isolated mode. I can get back my window and say materials, and no, I didn't want metal. I really wanted a ground cover. So I'm going to use the stone here. I'm going to use the sandy, woody stuff here, and I'm going to use this red stuff right there in the middle. Now, once I get out of the component area, I'm going to click on the tool here, the select tool again, and click. It changes everything that I did on all of them, not just the one that I changed. So component is a special kind of copy where you can change one thing and everything that you've copied will change. It's really a useful tool. Then you save this one, and you're going to make 4 more. You can make them as components or just grouping them like you did the first time. But do try and be creative. Do try and do something different with each one. And Once you're done, I will show you how to put them into PowerPoint in video 3. Bye bye.